Alrighty, this will be the elevator at Menards in Ontario/Mansfield, Ohio. I was gonna get this one last time I was here, but I didn't bother, so here we are now. And we've got a ThyssenKrupp. Okay. Interesting, just like the one in Sandusky. Okay, here we go. Newer feeling button. So let's do it. That felt good. Alright, it's just like Sandusky. Here's your certificate. Got a cap here real quick. 4,500 pound capacity. Very identical to Sandusky, just mirrored. We'll take this thing for one more ride, I guess. Old ThyssenKrupp logo. It's got the loud Dover buzz. Yeah, this is an interesting elevator for Menards. Here's up on the second floor. Here's your button. Oh, they got the ThyssenKrupp Aurora button up here. That's odd. Alright, and this back down on 1. Jay, this is for you, because I know you love Menards. You can't see through those air vents on this one. Alright, we'll wrap it up down here. And there goes the jingle. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching.